Hey everybody, it's Lori with Team Cashi. I'm here today at 117 Aurora Street on the island of Venice. Gorgeous listing coming on the market in just a few days. Just under 2,400 square feet. You've got 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths off to the left. So it's a totally split floor plan. The master bedroom is off to the right, completely separate. You've got the living area, dining area, gorgeous French doors. This house has a ton of charm, kind of like old world charm. I think it was actually built in the 1963s-ish. You step down here, you get into the gaming area. Totally updated flooring throughout the entire house. Neutral palette, lots of wood, like whitewashed wood, crown molding. This homeowner is using this area as a dining space, but you actually got 2 spaces. Totally renovated kitchen, granite countertops, white replaced cabinets, I think in just the last couple of years, stainless steel appliances. Nice gaming area over here. You also have another storage room, which could be used as an office or a 5th bedroom if you absolutely needed it. Take a step outside, you've got the pool area, which is really private, totally fenced out here. Also like really Florida friendly landscape because they've got these rocks everywhere, so pretty much no maintenance on the outside. It's coming on the market at $949,900. It is also going to be for rent, and I have separate details on that if you're interested. On the island of Venice, give us a call.